Good morning, my awesome second grade students. Thank you for connecting to my class, boys and girls. So we're going to be doing lesson 27, okay? This is the lesson, boys and girls, that we're going to be doing today, lesson 27, okay? The objective for today, boys and girls, is I can subtract from 200 and from numbers with zeros in the tens place. Ooh. Now, boys and girls, we're going to be working from hundreds numbers, right? 200 and from numbers with zeros in the tens place. So this is how it's gonna get done, boys and girls, okay? So, boys and girls, look at the first problem. Let's work out this problem right here, okay? The first problem that we're gonna be working out is 200 minus 8. Please write this problem down in your paper, boys and girls. Write it down. 200 minus 8. Once you guys have that problem ready in the vertical form, please write your place value chart, okay? I'm gonna give about 10 seconds to write the problem down the vertical form with our place value chart. And this is what you should have. 200 minus 8. So boys and girls, very, very important. When we subtract, don't forget, we are always detectives, okay? We have to take our job very seriously. That's why we're putting a magnifying glass around our hole. Don't forget, once we have that magnifying glass around our hole, we're going to be putting 200s. Okay, we can use little chips. 200s. Ooh, we already have 200s. Okay, I don't have no 10s, I don't have no 1s. Now that I have the model that represents our whole, let's read the problem for the ones. Ready? 0 minus 8. I have 0 apples. I want to give 8 away. Can I give 8 apples away if I have 0? No, we cannot. This is very important, boys and girls. Can we unbundle from the 10s? There's no 10s. So guess what? We have to unbundle from the hundreds. So cross out 100. That 100 becomes 10 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, we still don't have no ones. So guess what? Now we unbundle from the tens again. Okay, go ahead and show me 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't forget, very important, whenever we decompose, we always have to rewrite our whole. Okay, now that 200 is now 100. That 0 tens is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That 0 is now, that 0 ones is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, now we can subtract. From the 10, we're going to take out 8. Cross out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what's 10 minus 8? I have 10. I take away 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 2. And guess what? I have 2 over here. From the 9, guess what? We're not subtracting anything, so it comes down. 100 also comes down. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I have 100. So we know that 200 minus 8 equals 192. Okay? Very, very easy, boys and girls. Copy it down if you need time. Ready to work the other one? Awesome. So here we go for the other one. Now we have 200 minus 78. Okay? 200 minus 78. Go ahead and write it down, boys and girls. Also, please write your place value chart next to it so we can work it out. I'm going to give about 10 seconds to copy that problem down. Don't forget, now we're subtracting from hundreds numbers with a 0 in the tens place. Okay, 200 minus 78. And this is what you should have. 200 minus 78, my place value chart. And we're ready to work the problem, boys and girls. Don't forget, when we subtract, we are detectives. Okay, I'm gonna be putting a magnifying glass around my hole. Very important. just because once we put the magnifying glass on our hole, that means we're ready to do our job. Ok, bien importante, tenemos que poner la lupa para tomar nuestro trabajo muy seriamente. Now, boys and girls, that we have the magnifying glass, don't forget that always goes in our place value chart. So 200 again. 100, 200. Now that I have the model that represents, boys and girls, our hole, let's read the problem for the ones. Ready? Let me cover it because we don't need it now. 0 minus 8. Ooh, I have 0 apples. I want to give 8 apples away. Can we give 8 apples away if we have 0 apples? We cannot. Can we unbundle from the tens? There's no tens, boys and girls. So we unbundle 100 to 10 tens. Okay, go ahead and do that with me. Don't forget, I do, you do. Lo que yo haga, ustedes también hacen. So that 100 is now 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, 0 minus 8, we cannot subtract 0 minus 8. So now we unbundle from the tens, right? So that 110 is now 10 ones, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, boys and girls, that we unbundle over we decompose, we have to rewrite our whole. That 200 is now 100. That 0 tens is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. Okay, write it down. That 0 ones is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we can subtract 10 minus 8. Can we subtract 10 minus 8? Yes, we can, right? So let's take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know that 10 minus 8 equals 2. We have 1, 2. Now 9 minus 7. The problem from the tens is 9 minus 7. So let's take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's 9 minus 7? 2, right? We have 2 tens. 100 comes down. So my answer for 200 minus 78 is 122. Super simple, boys and girls. Now we're working with numbers that has a 0 in the 10. So we can subtract 0 minus 8. If there's nothing in the tens, we have to bundle from the hundreds first, and then from the tens, sorry, from the hundreds to the tens, and the tens to the ones. Now that we decompose, we have to rewrite the whole, right? Let's work another one, boys and girls. We're practicing, right? Something different that we have not done before. Sorry, here we go. The next problem is going to be 200 minus 143. Write it down, please. 200 minus 143. Don't forget, if the video is going too fast, boys and girls, go ahead and pause it. Please go ahead and pause the video just in case if I'm going too fast. Okay, we're going to work this one. This problem, 200 minus 143. This is what you should have in your paper by now. Okay, 200 minus 143, boys and girls. Now, boys and girls, that we copy the problem down, we draw the place value chart. Don't forget, when we subtract, we are detectives, right? We put a magnifying glass around our hole just because we want to take our job. We want to take the job very seriously, right? Now that I put the magnifying glass, I'm putting the hole right here because I only have 200. See, I have 200s. 1, 200s, 0 tens, 0 ones. Okay, now that I have the model that represents our hole, our first step is to read the problem for the ones. 0 minus 3. I have 0 apples, boys and girls. I want to give 3 apples away. Can I give 3 apples away? We have 0? Impossible, right? Can we unbundle from the tens? There's no tens, so we have to unbundle from the hundreds to the tens, right? Go ahead and do that. 100 is 10 tens, right? 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens. Let's read the problem further once again. 0 minus 3. Can I subtract 0 minus 3? No, right now. Can we unbundle from the tens? Yes, now we have some tens, so let's unbundle from the tens, right? So that 110 becomes 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, boys and girls, that we decompose or unbundle 2 times, it's time to rewrite our whole. Okay? So, boys and girls, 200 is now 100. 0 tens is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. 0 ones is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 ones is now 10 ones. Oh, now can we subtract 10 minus 3? Yes, we can. So from the 10, we're going to subtract 3. Let's cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. We know that 10 minus 3, I have 10. I'm going to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. I have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. Now 9, I'm going to be subtracting 4. Right? So to cross out 4 or slash out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's 9 minus 4? I have 9. I take away 4. We have 5. And if we count the little circles, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 100, we're taking away 100. 1 minus 1 equals 0. So my answer is 57. 200 minus 143 equals 57, boys and girls. Very, very important that you should be writing your notes, boys and girls. Very, very important to write your notes so that you guys are learning, okay? Simple like that, boys and girls. We're going to be working the last problem, okay? The last problem is going to be so fun and easy, okay? I'm going to give about 30 more seconds. Boys and girls, also, I know I'm going a little bit fast just because of the time, but go ahead and mute, not mute, sorry, go ahead and pause the video if you need to write this down, okay? Let's go with the last problem that we're going to be working out. The last problem, it is 200 minus 111. What problem? Yes, 200 minus 111, boys and girls. Go ahead and write the problem down with your place value chart. So this is what you should have by now. Writing the problem, 200 minus 111. Don't forget your place value chart. We know this is the ones, tens, and hundreds, right? Don't forget, when we subtract, we are detectives, second grade. Very important. We have to take our job very seriously. So my whole is 200. Let me put 200. I have 100, 200 again. Do we have tens? No tens and no ones. Now that I have the model that represents our whole, boys and girls, our first step is to read the problem for the ones, right? 0 minus 1. I have 0 apples. I want to give 1 apple away. Can I do that? No, right? So can I unbundle from the tens? No, but we have hundreds, so I'm going to unbundle from the hundreds. So 100 becomes 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, do we have any tens left? Yes, right? So we unbundle from the tens to the ones. So 110 becomes 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, boys and girls, that we decompose, we're going to have to rewrite our whole, just like I've been telling you, right? So 200 is now 100. 0 tens is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. 0 ones is now 10, right? Now 10 minus 1 equals 9, right? 9 minus 1 equals 8. Okay? 1 minus 1 equals 0, so my answer is 89. You can go ahead and check your work. We have 10 I cross out 1, I have 9. 10 I cross out 1, sorry, 9 I cross out 1, I have 8. So my answer is 89. So super easy, super simple, boys and girls. Thank you for connecting to my class. Thank you for learning math. Please practice this at home. Tell your mom or your dad to put you problems like this so you can be practicing at home. Have Have a nice day, boys and girls. Happy Wednesday. Bye, my awesome second grade students.